guys, and welcome back to my channel. Again, for those of you guys who don't know me, I am Angela, aka Southern Comfort Glam. So I'm here today to bring you guys a smoky burgundy look. A couple of you guys requested I do burgundy, so this is a part of my fall series, and I kind of did it as I went along. I added some gold to it, so I did a double eyeliner. So basically, oh yes, and I almost forgot. So I told you guys I would be announcing the winners, the two winners for the contest that I was doing, the giveaway for my 100 subscribers to celebrate. So got a little piece of paper here. I put everything into the randomizer, which you'll see here. So you guys don't think that I cheated or I just chose somebody. No, I did not. So my two winners are Danielle Gray and Melissa Cooper. So that's Danielle Gray and Melissa Cooper. So if you guys are watching this video, please leave me a comment down below. Actually, I'm going to leave my email down in the description, and I need you guys to email me your address so I'll know where to send you guys' goodies. So Danielle is the first place winner, Danielle Gray, and Melissa Cooper is the second place. So you guys know what the prizes were for those, but you guys just email me your addresses, and I put it like this: if you guys don't email me within 3 days, so today is Friday, I'll give you guys a Sunday. I'll say if I don't get an email from you guys by Sunday, I'm going to randomize this thing up again, take you guys' name out, and choose two more winners because, you know, I'm just holding stuff. Alright? So anyway, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed. You make
So here's the finished look. My liquid lipstick is from Milk Cosmetics in the shade Poser. I have a liner on from MAC in the shade Night Moth. Also, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, share it with everybody. Thumbs me up if you can. Also, check out some more of my videos that I put in here. You can click on them, check them out, comment. Thanks. Bye.